Hello friends and followers. We continue our videos Explore the World. And right now I am in London. As we all know, London is the capital of Great Britain. And we will talk about some favorite tourist attractions of this old and beautiful city. There are many ways of exploring it. One of them is a hop-on and hop-off bus. You pay for the ticket and hop on any bus with the sign. After that, you listen to the excursion and you can hop off at any stop you want to do. After you have enjoyed the view, you can hop on the bus again. Another way to explore the city is the boat trip on the River Thames. The Thames is the longest river in England and second longest in the United Kingdom. Its length is 346 kilometers. If you decide to enjoy the boat trip, you will see such tourist attractions as the London Eye, Shakespeare's Globe, the Tower of London, Greenwich Observatory, and the Houses of Parliament with Big Ben. The River Thames is the longest river in England and is the second largest in the UK. To talk about this river, you will need some words. Arsenal. Арсенал. Beefeater. Beefeater. Служитель охраны лондонского Тауэра. Boat trip. Прогулка на лодке. Dome. Купол. Faint-hearted. Трусливый, нерешительный. Fortress. Крепость. Labyrinth. Лабиринт. Lecture. Лекция. Medieval. Средневековый. Millennium. Тысячелетие. Mirror. Зеркало. Palace. Дворец. Parliament. Парламент. Prison. Тюрьма. Scary. Страшный, пугающий. Visitor. Посетитель. Workshop. Мастерская. Get a bird's eye view. Посмотреть с высоты птичьего полета. Great value for money. Разумное использование средств. Have the experience of a lifetime. Испытать нечто незабываемое. Hop on and hop off. Садиться и сходить. Scared out of your wits. Испуганный до потери сознания. Serve a purpose. Подойти, сгодиться. Take a ride. Прокатиться.